Hello and welcome back to Robinsunne Art Studio. My name is Robinsunne. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anybody you think might like to see it. Today I am tucking in a quick little video about a book I made in the journaling group at the Camden Public Library in Camden, Maine. And I just wanted to show the women in my group and anybody else who might be interested. This is called a treasure book, and it comes out of a book about making books. I want to say it's called Books That Can Fly, but I think that's actually the subtitle. Amy, when you see this, will you comment with the name of the book? Anyway, it's called a treasure book. It is an accordion book, like that. And you get to put little treasures, like actually sew them into the pages, which is kind of fun. So, on the first page, we have a notebook that is just stapled at the top, and it gets tucked into this belly band right here. By the way, the covers are made out of, I think it was like kind of cereal box cardboard, something like that. Here is a pocket to color and a little card and places to write. This is a pull little booklet. I tried to think up all the little tip-in books I could for this. So that's the second kind of book. Another pocket with a tag. Here is a pamphlet stitch book. And there in the center, and it's actually sewn into the accordion itself for notes or pictures or stickers or anything. Another pocket to color and a little tag. And here is a fun kind of book. These are pieces of cardstock that are held together by a brad, and you take the last piece of cardstock and tuck it into that belly band. Another pocket with a red tag. Another pamphlet stitch book. There we go. Piece sewn right into the fold of the accordion book. Another pocket with a tag. Now here's a pocket that has a one-page folded book, and I glued up the sides to make pockets out of the pages. There we go. Another pocket to color. Another pamphlet. This is with cardstock, and again it's sewn right into the accordion fold. A pocket with a very skinny color tag. And this is another kind of top attached little notebook, but this uses brads rather than staples. And just a bunch of papers, and you take the last, couple of pages and tuck it into the belly band. There we go. And a stacked label medallion to use as a pocket. The end. So thank you, Amy, for teaching us this cool book. I had more fun than I thought I would putting it together. It was very cool. So may all of our lives unfold with beauty. And the sparkles flow out across the many miles between you and I. May your life be beautiful and sparkly. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Bye.